7 most future loaded cars under Rs 12 lakh. Number 1, Hyundai Exter. The Hyundai Exter is the brand new entry-level SUV from the brand, and they have left no stone unturned in terms of features. The Exter gets a sunroof, connected tech, vehicle stability program, inbuilt navigation, Tpms, and an integrated dash cam, to name a few. The price for Exter range from Rs 5.99 lakh to 10.10 lakh. Number 2, Maruti Suzuki Baleno. Maruti has loaded their new generation cars with all the features due to market demand. The Baleno gets a 360-degree camera, a heads-up display, tinted glass, cruise control, and 6 airbags. The Baleno price range in between Rs 7.45 lakh to 9.88 lakh ex-showroom. Number 3, Hyundai i20. The Hyundai i20 created the premium hatchback segment in India when it was launched. The new i20 is no less, with a digital instrument cluster, 7-speaker Bose audio, wireless charging, LED headlight, drive modes, and 6 airbags as standard. The Hyundai i20's price range is Rs 6.99 lakh to 11.16 lakh. Number 4, Tata Altroz. Tata's premium hatchback, the Altorz, does not skimp on any features. It gets connected tech, a sunroof, digital instrument cluster, smartwatch connectivity, and 90-degree opening doors for easy access. The Altorz is priced in between Rs 6.60 lakh to 10.74 lakh ex-showroom. Number 5, Kia Sonet. Kia Sonet is loaded with features and is available with a good selection of drivetrain options as well. The Sonet comes with ambient lighting, air purifier, wireless charger, inbuilt navigation, a Bose sound system, and drive modes. The Kia Sonet is priced from Rs 7.79 lakh to 14.18 lakh ex-showroom. Number 6, Hyundai Venue. The Hyundai Venue is the only car in its segment to offer ADAS features. It also comes with cornering lamps, digital instrument cluster with drive mode, integrated dash cam, sunroof, ambient lighting, and an air purifier. The Venue is priced from Rs 7.76 lakh to 13.33 lakh ex-showroom. Number 7, Maruti Suzuki Fronx. The Maruti Suzuki Fronx is loaded with features with smartwatch connectivity, 360-degree camera view cameras, heads-up display, wireless charger, and paddle shifters in the automatic variants. The Fronx is priced from Rs 7.46 lakh to 12.97 lakh ex-showroom.